The mosaic flooring installation began early in the morning, with the workers carefully laying out the intricate patterns piece by piece. Each tile was placed with precision, creating a beautiful design that would soon cover the entire floor. The workers worked diligently, ensuring that each tile was perfectly aligned and level with the others. As the day went on, the mosaic began to take shape, with the colors and patterns coming together to form a stunning work of art. The workers moved with purpose, their movements fluid and practiced as they continued to lay down tile after tile. By mid-afternoon, the majority of the mosaic was in place, and the workers stepped back to admire their handiwork. The floor was a masterpiece, with vibrant colors and intricate designs that drew the eye and captivated the imagination. As the final tiles were put in place, the workers stepped back again, this time with a sense of pride and accomplishment. The mosaic flooring installation was complete, and the room was transformed into a work of art. The workers packed up their tools and left, knowing that they had created something truly special that would be enjoyed for years to come. Visit our website. Transform your space with us, where quality meets style. We look forward to seeing you soon.